InterSolar Europe is the world's leading trade fair for the solar industry. It is held annually in Munich, Germany. The fair brings together exhibitors from all over the world to showcase their products and services to a wide audience of professionals from the solar industry. InterSolar Europe is a comprehensive event that covers the entire value chain of the solar industry. It includes exhibits, conferences, and workshops on topics such as photovoltaics, solar thermal, energy storage, and smart grids. The fair also features a number of networking opportunities for attendees to meet with potential customers, partners, and suppliers. InterSolar Europe is a major event for the solar industry. It is a great opportunity for professionals to learn about the latest trends and technologies, to network with other professionals, and to find new business opportunities. Here are some of the key features of InterSolar Europe. Exhibits. InterSolar Europe features over 1,000 exhibitors from over 70 countries. The exhibits showcase the latest products and services for the solar industry, including photovoltaics, solar thermal, energy storage, and smart grids. Conferences. InterSolar Europe features over 100 conferences and workshops. The conferences cover a wide range of topics related to the solar industry, including technology, markets, and policy. Networking. InterSolar Europe is a great opportunity for professionals to network with other professionals from the solar industry. The fair features a number of networking events, including a trade show, a solar village, and a solar academy. InterSolar Europe is a must-attend event for anyone involved in the solar industry. The fair is a great opportunity to learn about the latest trends and technologies, to network with other professionals, and to find new business opportunities. Here are some of the benefits of attending InterSolar Europe. Learn about the latest trends and technologies in the solar industry. Network with other professionals from the solar industry. Find new business opportunities. Stay up to date on the latest developments in the solar industry. Get inspired by the latest solar projects and innovations. If you are involved in the solar industry, I encourage you to attend InterSolar Europe. The fair is a great opportunity to learn, network, and grow your business.